Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video, I'm taking you guys along with me on a typical Sunday in my life. Good morning guys. So we're in my kitchen right now. I think it's like 9:30, I think. Yeah, 9:35, and I am making my breakfast, and I love the weekends because I go all out with breakfast, and so I have a lot in front of me and it takes a while to cook everything. So we have a lot going on, and so I am going to do a little breakfast montage for you guys. But basically what I do is I do breakfast potatoes with green pepper and onion, and then I cook my eggs with a little bit of cheese and spinach, and then I also cook bacon, and then I kind of put it all together, and then I'll make a piece of toast and put some butter and jelly on it. So yeah, that is my big breakfast. I look forward to the weekends because I always make this on the weekends and it's so good, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make that now. Guys, let me know in the comments how you like your bacon cooked, because I like mine to practically be like literally like as burned as possible. So leave a comment down below how you like yours. Okay guys, so this is what my breakfast looks like right now, and I'm about to do the best part that makes this breakfast complete. Is we are drouching this in ketchup. So good, love it. So yeah, that is my breakfast for this morning. You guys, this is literally so good. It tastes as if I got this at a restaurant, and I love it so much. Like I said, I always look forward to making this on the mornings, on the weekends, and so yeah, that's my breakfast. Hello guys, so I have just been having a super relaxing morning, and that's what I love to do on the weekends, especially Sunday, is just like relax, because I have a big work week ahead of me. But it is about 2:30 right now, and I quickly got ready, did my makeup, got an outfit on and everything like that. And all late morning I was editing a makeup tutorial. So definitely, if you guys have not seen my updated 2021 makeup routine, I will leave that link down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Makeup routine videos or just like makeup tutorials that take so long to edit, and so I was editing that. I still have a lot more to finish, but I just like needed a break, and so I decided to do my makeup, get ready, and I have a couple of just like quick errands that I have to run. I have to go to Publix because I'm annoying and I only eat their bagels there because they are so good, and so I need to go there to pick up bagels and a couple other random things. And then I also needed to go to Target to pick up a couple other random things as well. So just a bunch of just like small little errands. I think I'm gonna go and drive out to Franklin to do that because I love the Publix in Franklin. If you're familiar with like the Nashville area, that Publix is so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Also, you guys, I put in my new little like butterfly earrings. I talked about these in a clothing haul that I uploaded a little while ago, so I guess I will also link that down below if you guys have not seen it. But these butterfly earrings are so cute. But let me show you guys my outfit, because my outfit just like screams my style. It's really bad, but this is the outfit that I'm wearing. Hopefully it will focus for you guys. But yeah, this is literally, if I could describe my style, this is my style. High-waisted leggings, these are from Lululemon. White sneakers, these are from Lulu's, and then just like a cropped sweater, literally anything cropped. You guys know how much I love. This one is from Misguided, and I really like it because in the back it's like completely open. I don't know how well I just showed that, but yeah, this is my outfit for today. Super comfortable, super casual. I also want to go on a walk later today if the rain holds off, so I also kind of dressed like comfortable to go on the walk. But I am about to go head out to Target and to Publix, and so I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so I'm back home now from my errands. It's only like 2:20, so I still have so much time to get everything else done that I wanted to do today. I also realized when I was driving home that I forgot to buy eggs, and so I have to go out again. And I don't want to because it's kind of like rainy outside, and this is like first world problems, but our elevator is like out of service, and it's been out of service since Friday morning, and it's now Sunday, and like I haven't seen anyone working on it, and so they need to like get that together and like get that fixed. And so I really don't want to have to go out again, and it's Sunday, so I just feel like grocery stores are just already like pretty busy. But anyways, I'm gonna do a little mini haul for you guys. And so I went to Target and I just picked up a couple of things, and honestly nothing is crazy exciting, but I just figured I would do a little haul for you guys. Okay, so first things first, I needed a new lighter because I tried to light a candle yesterday and my lighter just like stopped working, and so I needed a new one, so I picked that up. And then also I picked up more of my favorite beauty sponges. These are so good. I always like to have some like on hand. I have one that I'm using right now, but I don't have like any extras, and so I just needed to pick up some more because I'm annoying and I get stressed out, and so I feel like I always need like backups of everything, and so I just needed some more. And then I got some more teeth whitening strips because I was all out. You guys, these are so good. I literally just use the Up and Up brand, and they're just as good as the Crest ones in my opinion, and they are a little less expensive, so I picked those up. And then the next few things are all things that I needed, and so I needed new makeup wipes, and so I got these ones from the brand Simple. These are their Kind to Skin Micellar cleansing wipes, and so I picked those up. And then I also needed a new mascara. This is my favorite mascara at the moment. This is from L'Oreal, and this is their Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and so I picked that up. And then the last thing that I picked up from Target were just some simple earrings. These are just like diamond earrings, obviously not real, but they have like a small, medium, and like a bigger pair. Yeah, I just picked these up because I just lost the back to one of my earrings, so I needed some new ones, so I picked those up. That was everything that I picked up from Target. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go back out again, and just the thought of like going back out, I just like don't want to do at all. But I'm gonna wait a little bit to go back out, I think. But I thought this would be a fun little segment to vlog, but this is gonna be so stupid. But I'm gonna try a Celsius. I have never tried these before, and everyone raves about them. This has literally been sitting in my fridge for like 2 weeks, maybe 3, and I just like haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to. I am someone where I do not like carbonation, and so that is always what has turned me away from Celsius's. But my friend Taylor, actually, she told me that they have non-carbonated ones, and so I picked this one up. You can buy them like individually, which I really like, so you don't have to worry about like buying like a 6-pack or whatever and not liking them. But this is raspberry and like green tea, so we're gonna try this for the first time on camera, and hopefully I like it. We will see. It smells really good, but I'm a little nervous. I feel like I'm drinking like a White Claw, which I also don't like because carbonated. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, I don't really like that. It's not carbonated, so it's good, but I'm definitely a person where I'd rather just drink water, like if I'm being honest. And I guess these kind of give you, don't they give you energy or whatever? it's like drinking a coffee but not coffee. I don't know, I don't know how often I'd like reach for this. This is a no-go for me. I feel like I'd rather just have, definitely would rather just have water, but if I needed the like energy or caffeine, I would just drink a coffee. I definitely like do not do not like these at all. As I like keep going to drink it, am I okay? Okay. Anyways, I am gonna go ahead and start editing a little bit more. Hello guys, so it's a little bit later and I am about to make some banana bread and I'm so excited. Banana bread is probably like my favorite thing to ever exist and I have not had it in a really long time, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make it. I have 4 bananas. These are very brown, but the recipe only calls for 2 bananas, and so I think I'm gonna make 2 batches. I think I'm gonna put one in like this loaf tin, but then I think I also might make some muffins and just like maybe bring them into work tomorrow or like give them to some friends or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make my banana bread. So I just finished making the batter, and so I have a loaf pan, but then I also decided to make some like banana bread muffins, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven and let it cook. Okay, so my banana bread is in the oven, and so now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is some laundry. Weekends are definitely my laundry days, and so I did some yesterday, so all I have to do today is my towels, and so that is what I'm gonna do. Alright you guys, so everything is done cooking. So we have the banana bread muffins and then also the banana bread just like in the loaf pan, and you guys, I am so excited. This looks so good, so I can't wait to eat this. All right, this is behind the scenes of me trying to get an Instagram story with the banana bread. Ooh, okay, I'm trying some new filters. This is like a Polaroid filter that I just like searched up. I kind of like that one. I might actually I might use that one. So I know you guys are so curious with how my Instagram story ended up coming out. I've been really into stories recently and trying to make them like cooler than just like a simple photo, and so I actually did this one yesterday to make it look like that was like a film type of thing. I don't know, I saw this on TikTok and I just like followed the instructions, and I've been liking to do that recently, so everything's not just like a simple like selfie or like a simple photo. And so yeah, I did that yesterday, but this was what I ended up doing today. I said, name something better than banana bread, I'll wait. And so I did the cute little like Polaroid filter, and then I did like a little heart at the bottom. So yeah, that was my Instagram story. Definitely follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, because I post stories a lot. Also, I recently decided to add highlights, which I've never had highlights before, but I thought it was kind of cool, so I added those. But yeah, that's my Instagram. Definitely follow if you guys are not already. So it's getting towards the end of the night. I am actually about to head off to Trader Joe's because I need to buy some eggs, and I figured I would just go there. But yeah, I figured I would just go ahead and end the vlog right here. So this is a pretty typical Sunday in my life. I literally just like to make a good breakfast, do laundry, clean up, do any errands that I have, do video stuff and YouTube stuff. So pretty simple, but I also just like to be like super relaxed and take my time and not have to really like worry about getting things done super quickly or like being rushed. I just like to take my time when I do it. So yeah, that was my little Sunday vlog for you guys, and so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.